Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone using a 16-digit network unlock code, also known as a KNC-NCK or SIM unlock code. If you've ever tried switching carriers and got stuck with that annoying prompt for a code, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into it. Segment 1. What is a network unlock code? So first off, what exactly is a 16-digit network unlock code? Basically, it's a code that allows you to break free from your current carrier and use your phone on any other network. It's super useful if you're switching carriers or if you're traveling abroad and want to pop in a local SIM card. Segment 2. How to get the unlock code. Now, there are a few ways you can get this unlock code, and I'll walk you through the best options. Contact your carrier. The most legit and reliable way is to reach out to your carrier, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, or whoever. If your contract's up or your phone is paid off, they'll likely give you the code no problem. Use a third-party unlock service. If your carrier isn't helping, or you just want to speed things up, there are third-party services online that can generate the unlock code for you. Just be careful of scams and make sure you're using a trusted service. Unlock via manufacturer. Sometimes manufacturers like Samsung can provide the unlock code directly, but more often than not, they'll just refer you back to your carrier. Using an unlock app. Some carriers, like T-Mobile, have made it even easier by offering unlock apps, like the T-Mobile Device Unlock app. With these, you don't even need to enter a code. It's all done through the app. Segment 3. Unlocking your phone. Once you've got the unlock code, here's how you actually unlock your phone. Insert a SIM card from a different network. When prompted, type in the 16-digit unlock code. That's it. Your phone should now accept the new SIM and work on your new network. Final thoughts. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocky.net. So there you have it. Now you can unlock your phone and start using it on any network you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.